Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on notifications on YouTube. It's very simple and easy, but it's very useful. Now let's start. First, open YouTube app on your phone. You can follow this method on Android or iOS both. Then tap on U button. This is located on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on gear icon. This is located on the top right corner of the screen. Then here you can find an option notifications. Tap on it. See here, all of notification settings are here. You can turn all this or you can source any of this. In my case, I turn this all. See here, this is all type of notifications are here. See here, this is an option that is disable sound and vibration. I turn this off. New page notification, I turn this off. That's it. I hope you understand this process. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos like this.